Hey guys! Today's video is an ode to dark hair. No matter if it is your natural hair color or you've decided to go a few shades darker for autumn and winter, today I'm going to give you a few tips that you can use to really rock your dark hair. So let's get started straight away. The first and most important tip that I have for you is make it shine. Dark hair has the ability to look super shiny, and shiny dark hair is absolutely gorgeous. So use some type of shine treatment for it. My favorite thing to use for added shine and health to my hair is my DIY hair oil. This is one made of nut and flower oils. You can find the recipe on my blog. I will link it in the info card, but it's an oil blend and I just use a few drops on my hair pretty much every single day, and I run this through my lengths and ends, and it gives just this absolutely beautiful shine to the hair that makes it look super healthy and super luxurious. You can also use this oil as a hair treatment, so in that case you would just saturate your entire hair in it from roots to tips and nicely massage it into your scalp. It has some kind of growth stimulating ingredients in there as well, so if you just massage it into your scalp and then leave it on for a few hours and then just rinse it out with shampoo and just wash your hair as you usually would, it will moisturize hair just beautifully and again give it that gorgeous shine. So then when you come out of the shower, just use a couple of drops again, just a very small amount, run it through towel dry hair, and then after you've dried it, gorgeous. So another thing I find absolutely gorgeous on dark hair, especially if it is nice and shiny, is a little bit of texture. So why not try curling your hair in a style that you like? You can go for nice, big, glamorous, beachy waves. You can go for tighter curls, princessy curls. You can go looser on the top and tighter on the bottom. The options are endless. And if you prefer to not use heat on your hair at all, then you can try different texturizing hairstyles such as braids or half-up ponytails that just add that extra layer on top of your hair. It looks really, really pretty, in my opinion. Now, one of my absolute favorite things about having dark hair is what I like to call the Snow White effect. And it is the super high contrast look you get when you have dark hair and light skin. And I kind of like to enhance that even further by pairing it with a red lipstick. And that just gives the most gorgeous, classic, high contrast Snow White look, if you will. So my favorite way to wear the Snow White is to pair it with a white sweater. And here I'm actually doing this with a short black wig that I recently got from Babala Hair. It's so gorgeous. Oh, I've had black hair a few times in my life and I always absolutely love it, but I've decided to go natural a few years ago. So, you know, this wig is absolutely perfect if I want to change it up for a day, and I feel like this fits the Snow White look just perfectly. So as you can see, a white sweater, the really dark hair and the red lips are just such a beautiful combination. One that I personally just absolutely adore. So another thing you can do with dark hair, as with any hair color, but I feel like this works especially well on brown hair, is to accentuate it with different colors. And by colors, I mean what you wear on your clothing and your makeup. So for clothing, for example, my hair is kind of almost like, I'd say, a cool chestnutty brown, kind of. So I feel like a color that offsets that really well is green. So when I really want my hair to pop, I wear something green, and that can be in your outfit or in a hair accessory. The one thing you do want to keep in mind when doing this is the warmth of your hair. So do kind of try to figure out whether your hair is on the warmer side or the cool side. You can even use the whole kind of color season thing to decide which colors would offset your hair just beautifully. I feel like often brown or even black hair, just dark hair, often looks really good with all these rich kind of jewel tones. And the same actually goes for makeup. I feel like some types of makeup just make your hair pop. Again, for darker hair, I really like kind of deeper, darker makeup looks as well. I feel like you can get away with darker makeup a lot easier when you have darker hair as well, just because it's not as prominent in your face as when you have lighter hair. So again, I really like jewel tones for darker hair. Of course, the red lipstick that I've talked about earlier, but also just really nice kind of rich colors. And another thing to keep in mind, especially if your brown is artificial, if you feel like the color washes you out a little bit, you can apply a little bit more color to the cheeks in the form of a blush or a bronzer, and that's just gonna bring a little bit more life back into your face. So those are my tips on how to make a dark hair color pop. So I really hope hope you enjoyed this video, guys. If you did, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for loads more beauty and lifestyle content. If you'd like to support me on Patreon, there's a link in the description box below. Thank you so much for your support. There's another video here that you may also enjoy. You can go watch next. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you very soon in my next video. Bye!